Alex is making me some lunch.
Yep. Leftover sausages.
Yep, sausage sandwich, can't go wrong. We're parked up over there, put our washing out that we've been, because we've just been to the hot springs, haven't we?
Yeah, so we just went to our Kerry hot springs, so we could basically have a shower and just feel nicer.
Yeah.
Yeah, the hot spring was nice. We only ended up with like a very basic cold shower.
Yeah, but it was like nothing. $9 each.
Yeah, the hot balls were nice as well.
So we were in there for about an hour. Now we've just driven about
half an hour down the road.
Yeah, and just got a nice picnic spot.
Yeah, so we're just at Matterhigh Scenic Reserve.
Yeah.
On the edge of Lake Rotoma.
Which is very nice.
Yeah, pretty. Not a bad little picnic spot.
No.
Then we're going to drive further that way.
Yeah. Cool. Lunchtime.
Lunch stop at a lake. Dave's flying the drone somewhere up there. So that's the trout pool falls that we can hear.
We're gonna look at the first one?
Yeah.
Let's go. So where are we?
We've just come outside of Richard towards Struggle. So Ochre Falls and Two Falls, which you can sometimes see people rafting at.
Just saw the old power station falls. Very impressive. Lots of water.
Yeah.
Now we got about, what, 15-minute walk?
Yeah, just a little one.
Yeah, nice pretty walkway though. So yeah.
Some of the roads to get here were amazing.
Yeah.
Really windy, but all on the edges of different lakes, as well as through this sort of thing.
Yeah, like all this.
Forest.
Yeah, we're also walking with a little haste. Not too much because we have a coach group behind us. So, we shall see. You can certainly hear the water. Parked Johnny up for the evening, and that's our view. Not a bad view, is it? we're getting more friends as time goes on. We're gonna get probably someone next to us as well, but we wanted the view, so. I'm going to show the people our view.
Yes, we are in Rotorua.
Well, go ahead.
We are in Rotorua, Freedom Camp for the night.
Yeah, and this is our view.
Yeah, Hamurana's Springs was that? At the top of Rotorua instead of like by the city. Just so we need to go up.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Not bad. Alex is cooking dinner. What we got on?
Very nice.
Very nice. Very windy out there.
Having indoor kitchen.
Yeah, so we got golden curry. I'm just hiding in the front at the moment.
Yes.
Golden curry time. I'm running to try and take a picture of this sunset because it's gorgeous, but I don't know how much longer I'm going to be able to see it. But yeah, whoa. There's a pier up here. Whoa. Morning.
Hey.
So we are at Hamurana Springs, we think it's called.
Yeah.
Which are springs that are known to be incredibly clear. Yeah, we're gonna have a walk around here. Should be about a 45-minute walk.
Yeah.
And see what they look like. And then afterwards we are driving about a little over an hour away to collect a solar panel for the van, but like a portable one. And then we are going to
Hobbiton.
Yeah, so we're gonna have a proper nice geeky day of going to Hobbiton.
Yeah. Oh, it is clear.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll see what we can see. Yeah, fair, that's very clear. Yeah, that is actually crystal clear, isn't it? I really like all the ferns. Never been to the Redwood Forest in San Francisco, as well as other places around that sort of area. This is a nice little taste. It's gorgeous. It's really pretty. And they are massive. Definitely doesn't do it justice, the scale of it, but massive. Think?
It's really nice. The trees are a nice surprise.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was maybe a little bit too dark to see the
It's just
brings in like the full.
Yeah, it's just the sun's not quite at the right angle for us, but that's fine.
Still, it's pricey for what it is, but
yeah. Apparently these trees were planted in like 1919. So like kind of close to 100 years, just over 100 years old.
Massive.
And like the tallest one I think said was like 55 meters. Yeah, you can definitely see how old it is. Very clear. Crazy. It's funny, Alex and I were saying, because this place is quite pricey, it's $18 each. Initially we were like, it's definitely not worth the money. It's pretty, but it's not worth the money. As soon as you get to the actual spring, you kind of go, it might be worth the money.
I'm sure there's places that are like this that are around New Zealand and free.
Yeah. Yeah, there's plenty more to explore in terms of other places, but
it's a nice walk as well.
Yeah, it's nice.
The trees attack you.
Nice and calm.
Yeah, lots of forest.
Yeah.
It's bigger than I thought it was.
What was that?
I said it's bigger than I thought it was.
Yeah, the actual
I thought we were just going to go around
the bottom bit.
Yeah.
Sand spring. Can you see the sand dance? Oh, it's all these bits. The sand is dancing. Duckling is hiding.